had Joker, 10X crazy time. So we had Joker. Ladies and gentlemen, 10X crazy time. What? We got 10X multiplier for crazy time.
It's alright, gang. I'll be crazy time, but 10 times better crazy time. Let's apply that 10X. Bam! Beautiful top slot. Treated us well.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Bets are open, so ladies and gentlemen, you can place your bets. And good luck, everyone. Bets are closed. $5X on cash hunt from the top slot. And we got the cash hunt with 5X from the top slot, guys. Come on. And the highest multiplier is 375X. Okay, now we're mixing the carousel. And now try to catch your hunt, to hunt your cash. Come on, guys, I know you can do it. Now let's reveal the multipliers. 1,624 winners. Congratulations to you. Bets are open now. And welcome new players. Thank you for joining the session with me, and thank you for joining the crazy time. Bets are closed. So close to Pachinko.
Boom. Let's make a spin from this side now, yeah? Let's see what we win on this crazy time. No more bets select to you. Let's see what we got here for you. Good luck with the spin. Guess the first bonus CD. Maybe. We still have time to do that. We got a cash on 5X top slot. I mean, cash on 5X top slot would be a crazy bonus to start off our session on. I mean, that's also very good to see. First bonus. Cash on 5X top slot. Let's go. Everybody, welcome to the 5X cash on right here with me. Let's do this. What is the next multiplier gonna be? We're gonna be 500X, yeah? Quintuple it all up. So yeah, next multiplier gonna be 500X. Let's do this, everybody. Let's hunt some cash. So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, we had the multipliers. Mix them all up, ladies and gentlemen, so we don't know where they are. You know, where's that 500X hunt hiding? Somewhere. We had gotten a natural 500 that would have been 2,500. Either way, let's be satisfied with what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, please make your decisions now. Please choose one of these icons behind them as your multiplier. So please select one. If you don't select in time, it's going to be selected randomly. And I wish you all the best luck, you know. 5X top slot, so pretty good multipliers all around. What do I choose? You know, I choose this target. Makes sense. The 500X is right here, everybody. Congratulations to all the winners, especially those who got 500X. And let's get back to the video. 1,382 winners. Top winners, famous.
Happy, huh? I'm just having a good time. I'm here to entertain. I'm here to have a good time. Hey, look at that. All that complaining actually worked out, guys. Good job. We got a cash hunt. Alright, welcome to Cash Hunt, everyone. Hello. How's everyone doing? There we go. Our first bonus of the session. Everyone's very happy. Yay! Idas! I hear the chanting from here, guys. Alright. Hey, we got a 3x off the top slot, and a max multiplier is 1500X. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? There's a big chunky boy right here. Chunky boy. Alright. Carousel has stopped. Make your decisions. Let's see what we got under there. Choose wisely. 1500X is somewhere hiding there. Good luck to all of you. And let's see what we got. 1500X on the left side near the middle.
Number 5 on Diego Hieroglyph. Tease. Enjoy good luck to betting time. I'm calm. I'm betting. I'll meet you in the park. I'll be calm and collected. But you now right from the start is you fall apart because I'm too expensive. Wow. The debt I own. Gotta sell my soul because I can't say no. No, I can't say no. Wow! CT! With a 3x good luck to you. The fact that didn't hit a cash hunt is alarming. Alarm, wake up. Don't waste energy telling him how to spin. CT with a 3x, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me more about it. We got a 3x on top of our big bonus game. CT, we got that key with a 3x multi. Oh yeah, knock, who's there? I'm coming in fast and hot. Good luck, people. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the crazy time. Green, blue, yellow, ladies and gentlemen, 3 flappers, 3x multiplier right before that, and this roll doesn't even have a triple on it, hey? Doesn't even have a triple on it! Alright! Multiplier is applied, ladies and gentlemen. Now you go choose your flapper, ladies and gentlemen. The green, the blue, the yellow, you stick with it till the very end. You basically marry a flapperino, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we had 100X, now it's a 300X because we got a 3X, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck! All right. Yo, dude, what is it? Oh, yo, dude, 45X on green, 75X on blue, and the breadwinner, ladies and gentlemen, 150X on the yellow. Wow! Wow, 7100 winners. Dobre, 69,000 euros. Nice. With 150X multiplier. Congratulations, everybody. All the newcomers to the welcome crazy time and the play statistics and good luck to you. Ladies and gentlemen.
6700 now winner, congratulations. Because like you can consider me as a villain as well. I also want to be left alone when I'm like, you know, chilling. So I don't blame him at all. Poppy! Hi, Poppy! Give me a second, I will read your message now. All for one is the best villain. Who is it? Who is All for one? 3x crazy time. Hi, Poppy! I'm sorry, like, I really, guys, I try my best. Crazy time 3 times, ladies and gentlemen! Whoop, whoop! It's a sound of the wind. Whoop, whoop! It's a sound of the wind 3 times multi-crazy year. Hola! Let's go, my dear friends. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Woohoo! Well. Look what we got. We got a 3 times multi, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. All right, guys, which one you're going for? Are you Team Shrek? Are you Team Smurfs? Or are you Team SpongeBob? Green, blue, or yellow? Choose your gang, ladies and gentlemen. whose gang you're going to join. Gang of Shrek, Smurfs, or SpongeBob. Because 600X top multi, let's go. Woo! $150 times for Team Blue. Woo wee!
Alright everybody, there's a 5x on a cash and this should be big if we could get... Oh, it's actually getting. Can we get it? Can we get it? Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Cash hunt it is with a 5x multi. Whoop whoop. Opachki. Opa. Alright. Many multis, a lot of 50s. Man, I was just hoping to see more hundreds. Let's see. We got a 5x now, so 500 is right there. 250s, 125ers. Boom. Good luck, everybody. Let's mix it all up, guys, and then you will have some time to shoot the emblem. Suda. It actually happened. Misty, it actually happened, right? Somebody said just tell that there's going to be big bonus, and looks like we're going to have some big one. So pick a spot, shoot the emblem, guys, or let the game do it for you. You can let the auto pick shoot it for you. Alright guys, there's the big reveal. A lot of great multis. A lot of multis that are above the 100, so amazing guys. Congratulations. 6,060 summers Dobre with 57,000 euros.
Yes, sir. Congratulations to the amazing winners, and thank you for the round, everyone. JSU, the top winner this time, 280 euros. But yeah, what about you, Zoe? My day's been going great. Woke up pretty early, working a lot, and yeah, my day is approaching its end slowly. What about you? Good luck, everyone. 2x on the crazy time. Let's see what you got, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to the crazy time with a 2x from the top slot. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to join this one? Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody to the bonus game. Welcome to the crazy time bonus round. Woo! Look at this giant wheel. And wait, there's more. We have a 2x. Yes, sir. Double it up. That's more like it. That's more like it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now with the doubling done, it's time to make a decision. The green, the yellow, or the blue. What do you think? Ladies and gentlemen, max multiplier, we got 200x. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a double on the green. All right. Okay, let's go. Green is getting another double. All right, ladies and gentlemen, max multiplier is now up to 400x. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a triple digit 200x on the green. Whew. Congratulations to the amazing winners. Green, my compliments to you guys. Very nice, very nice.
Winner, congratulations. Shidi, you say, hey Ariana, you're married? Yeah, I'm married to my favorite anime characters. But moving on. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we were talking about who's the best villain out of all shows. It can be a TV show, it can be a video game, it can be a book, a movie, anything. We already had Joker, 10X Crazy Time. So we had Joker, we had Madara Uchiha, Perry Itachi. I wouldn't say Itachi is a villain. Ladies and gentlemen, 10X Crazy Time. What? Let's go. Let's go now. Ladies and gentlemen, senors and senoritas, to all my Madaras Uchihas out there, we got 10X multiplier for crazy time. Woo! Now this about to be fun. Guys, please, I don't know, buckle up. Hold your fingers crossed and choose your team. Green, blue, yellow. Woo! Okay, my hands are shaking. But let's see, our top multi, everyone, is 1000X. Wishing you all the best. Let's go! It's 250X for Team Yellow, Team Banana.
Ladies and gentlemen, number 1 is the winning result in this round. Congratulations, 2,555. Getting that win. Enjoy. It's done. Good luck. Kissing is a language of love. When I have a conversation with me, wow. Oi Nell. What's up? Let's go. Spend time. It's all right, thank. I'll be here maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. Maybe it will be better. CT, Crazy Time. 10X from TOPSLOT. Can we? Woo! Crazy Time, but 10 times better Crazy Time. Come on. Let's go. See you later. Bam, 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 ladies and gentlemen. She achieved it. Woo! Hello. Let's apply that 10X. Bam. Beautiful TOPSLOT. Treated us well. It's time, ladies and gentlemen. Choose your flapper. Green, blue, or yellow. And what's it gonna be? Choose it wisely. Decision time is slowly coming to an end. Are we ready? 1000X. Let's go. Hype it up. Ladies and gentlemen, bam! 1000X on that yellow flapper. Woo! 250 on blue. Congratulations to the champs right there. Look at you lovely people getting those big up.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.